Here is a rectangular pathway. Okay, you are traveling or you are going for a walking in the morning in the park. Rectangular pathway, right? Starting from the point A, we have to travel from A to B and then to C and to D, right? So first one from A to B, then from B to C, and then C to D, and then D to A. So 1, 2, right? Third path, and this is your fourth path. You are again coming back to the position A, right? So what is your distance traveled? Total distance traveled is the length. So length from A to B is 500, right? I am calculating the length from the length of the rectangular path you have traveled. The length traveled is how much you have traveled in a rectangular path? 500 meters. That is from A to B, right? Again from B to C you traveled 700 meters, and then C to D you traveled 500 meters. Again from D to A another 700 meters, right? This is BC, this is CD, again this is DA. You are coming back to the same position again after completing a one rectangular park. Okay, so how much you have traveled? 1000 plus 1400, right? 1000 plus 1400. So totally you have traveled 2.4 kilometers or 2400 meters. This is the actual length, that is the distance you have covered. Yet this is the actual length you have traveled, right? Starting from position A and completing your walking in the same spot. So what is the distance? But I am not mentioning the one more thing, I am not mentioning the direction you have traveled. You can travel either of the way, from A to B or from A to D. Any direction you can travel, but the length you have covered is the distance traveled. Okay, so actual length, this distance is the length you covered in your walking, right? That what is mentioned as the distance. So the actual length, definition is actual length of the path, okay, you traveled by moving your body. That is, we are moving around, right? By moving the body, but irrespective of the direction you have traveled, right? Irrespective of the direction. I never mentioned anywhere in the